To get your Arizona Guard card, there are 6 steps you need to complete. Step 1 is to take a class. Now, you can do that online or in person for the Unarmed Guard card. That class is going to get you 2 forms which you'll need to fill out and get signed by your instructor. You'll need an FD258 fingerprint card, which is different from a non IVP or IVP level 1 clearance card. You'll need 2 passport style photographs, a copy of your Arizona ID or 2 forms of photo ID, $72, which you can do in money order or cashier's check if you mail it, or pay cash or card if you drop it off, and you'll have to turn it into DPS. Here at Aero Security, we can help you with every step except for the last two. We offer the classes, we can get you the forms, fingerprints, photos, and a copy of your ID. All you got to do is go to azguardcard.net. Go ahead and click this first link at the top for Aero Security Inc. And here you are on our training landing page. If you've already made an account with Aero Security, go ahead and click already registered and try to log in there. If not, go ahead and scroll down all the way to unarmed classes here. We're going to click that. We offer 2 kinds of classes, online and in person. Our in-person classes are only on Thursdays and they're 8-hour classes, and online you can take at your discretion within 30 days. If you want to skip forward to how to sign up for online, go ahead and click the link that's going to pop up here. For the in-person class, you're going to click on the bottom link, and you're going to select the day that you want to book for. You're going to pick the number of seats you want to book. And it's going to be $25 per person. We're going to pick one. And then you'll see an option here to pay for fingerprints and photos in advance. You do not have to pay for fingerprints and photos in advance, but you can if you want to. You're going to fill out all this personal information, hit continue, then enter your billing information, at which point you'll pay for the class and you'll get your confirmation email after that. If you want to skip forward to how to get your fingerprints, go ahead and click this link here. Going on to the online class, you're going to click that link at the top and hit enroll now. Enter your email address and your billing information, then hit continue. This is your courses page. You can see that I'm enrolled in 2 versions of the Unarmed Guard course. And anytime you want to resume a course, just hit watch. You can see our 2 instructors here, Bill and Aaron, and on the left is our module list. You can see what you have and have not completed based on if you have a check mark in the box or not. You can see here on the right side how many you got correct and how many you got incorrect. Keep in mind that some questions may have more than one correct answer. When you get to the end of the online unarmed class, you'll have 2 documents to fill out. You're going to click download, read through this, and then fill out this document in capital letters. You will not sign the document until after the instructors have placed their signatures on the document first. Then save it anywhere you will remember to find it. Once you finish the document, scroll down to Upload, hit Choose Files. I already have mine uploaded here, but what you would do is click to upload and find the document that you want to download. Select it, and it'll upload here, and then hit Submit. Do the same thing for the training verification form. Our instructor may take a little over 24 hours to review and send back your documents, so make sure you're patient. You can call us at 602-863-1022 Monday through Friday 9 to 5 if you have any questions. Aero Security offers fingerprinting services Monday through Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Fridays 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. for $30. We will include a fingerprint affidavit in a sealed envelope, and we can do digital or ink fingerprints. We cannot digitally send the fingerprints to DPS, but we can scan them on our fingerprint scanner. That $30 purchase also includes 2 passport-style photographs and a copy of your ID. You will need to send your packet via mail with a money order or cashier's check for $72. If you want to drop it off in person, you can go to DPS's physical location here, and you can pay with exact cash or card. DPS usually takes about 3 to 6 weeks generally to send you back your guard card. It will go back to the mailing address you included on your guard card application form. You can go to psp.azdps.gov to check out the status of your guard card at any time. You're going to look at your security guard or PI license, check status of license, search by your security guard or PI name, then type in your first and last name and search. If your name does not appear, then DPS has not gotten to your packet yet, or if you mailed it, it may have gotten lost. DPS will not have record of your application until they get to it in their big old pile of applications. So give DPS around 3 to 6 weeks to get your packet processed. Once the guard card is issued, it is being mailed to the address you included on your application form. Once you have your guard card in your hand, you can then work as a security guard in the state of Arizona. Save your money and call us.